Alright, today, without taking much time, we are going today to introduce here the countables and uncountable nouns. The objective of these lessons is to divide into groups to know what is countable and what is uncountable. When we talk about the countables, we talk about things that you can count, and uncountables, it's things that you cannot count. And then here, first we're going to start with the nouns. What do you understand by the nouns? In nouns, in simple words, we say that nouns are name of people, animals, and objects. Are we together? People, animals, and object. Here we have nouns. And then, here we have this. In number one, we're going to start with the number one. In number one, here we have countable nouns. And in number two, we have uncountable nouns. As you see, we have the countable nouns are nouns that you can count. When I say count, to say things that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, things that you can count. And we have here examples like desk, books, people, chair, and so on. And so on, it means that there is or there are nouns that you can count. In number two, we have here uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that you can't count. There is no way to count these nouns. There is no way to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Examples we have here: sugar, oil, bread, money, and so on. There is no way, we have here sugar. There is no way to say 1, 2, 3, 4 sugar. Is it possible, class, to say sugar, 1, 2, 3, 4 sugar? There is no way. Oil, there is no way to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sugar. That's why these we call by uncountable nouns. But there is here a doubt for some students. I'm pretty sure that some students, they are going to have a doubt because of what? Bread and money. In Portuguese or in other countries, people can say bread. You can be confused. Teacher, what about bread? There's no way to count bread. We have to count bread. But in English, we don't count bread. We don't say bread is in English. We say bread. For example, if your mother sent you to go to the market to buy bread, there is no, even there are 4 or 5, there is no way to say I need 4 breads. Say I'm going to buy a loaf bread, or say I'm going to buy bread. Don't say I'm going to buy breads. We have your money. Money, there is no way to count. In English, we don't say 1, 2, 3, 4 money. It's like in Portuguese, we don't say 1, 2, 3, 4 dinheiro in Portuguese. That's why we say money is uncountable nouns. I'm pretty sure that you understand the difference between countables and uncountable nouns. And then going ahead, I'm pretty sure that you understood the lessons today, and the objective is to divide these into 2 groups, countables and uncountable nouns. We have here exercise. This exercise, you are going to show if you understood the lessons about countables and uncountable nouns. Here we have divide into countables and uncountable nouns. It's for you to write, to make a division, to say this is countable, this is uncountable nouns. Here we have sand, house, herb, drink, rice, powder, pens, and tea. You are going to divide this into 2 groups, countables and uncountable nouns. And the last one is homework. We have here homework. Write countable nouns and uncountable nouns. You know. I'm pretty sure that you have learned it and you understood. Now you have to show how much you understood about countables and uncountable nouns. Together, class? I'm pretty sure that you are going to say yes. And then that's all by today. We're going to see each other next lesson. Have a nice day. See you and goodbye. Teacher Victor.